आज हम बात करने वाले हैं गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी के ऊपर, जो कि 20 क्वेश्चन है और वो 20 क्वेश्चन आपको इंटरव्यू बेसिस पे पूछा जाएगा। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर, व्हाट इज गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी? गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी क्या होता है? गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी is a common type of chromatography used in analytical chemistry for separating and analyzing compounds that can be vaporized without decomposition. Typically uses of GC, that means gas chromatography, include testing the purity of a particular substance or separating the different components of a mixture, that is called gas chromatography. Okay, next is second question number. Okay, second question number is, what is the principle of GC? GC, that means gas chromatography. क्या है प्रिंसिपल गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी का? The principle of separation of in GC is gas chromatography is partition. The mixture of component to be separated is converted to vapor and mixed with the gaseous mobile phase. The component which is more soluble in stationary phase travels slower and elevated later. The component which is less soluble in stationary phase travels faster and eluted out first. That is called principle of gas chromatography. Okay, second, okay, then third. Third is, why GC is called gas chromatography? क्यों GC है gas chromatography? क्यों है? The mobile phase that used in gas chromatography is a carrier gas. That is the GC is called gas chromatography. Okay, like, share, subscribe please कर दीजिएगा. Okay, चलते हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन नंबर पे. Which type of gases used as a NP mobile phase in GC? Answer, insert gases are used as a mobile phase in a gas chromatography. Example, helium, nitrogen, hydrogen. That is the type of gases used in NP in GC. Okay, next is 5 question number. What do you mean by inert gas? क्या है inert gas? The inert gas are non-reactive gases. Inert gas are non-reactive gases. In general, they do not react with anything or any component. In general, they do not react. इससे react नहीं करता है with anything or any components. For this reason, they are known as inert gas. Okay, इसीलिए inert gas है. Okay, next is 6th question number. Which type of components are used to separate in GC? किस टाइप का component यूज करेंगे सेपरेट करने के लिए गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी? The answer is only volatile compound. कौन सा? केवल volatile compounds are used to separate in gas chromatography. और यही सेपरेट कर सकता है गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी. एग्जाम्पल, IP, इथेनॉल, एसीटोन, etc. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर देखते हैं. 7 क्वेश्चन नंबर. व्हाट आर द टाइप ऑफ गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी? क्या है, कितना टाइप का होता है गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी? The gas chromatography is two types. दो टाइप्स का होता है. फर्स्ट, गैस सॉलिड क्रोमेटोग्राफी, GSC, the short form is GSC, and the second is gas liquid chromatography, and the short form is GLC. Okay, next is 8 question number. How many types of column used in GC? कितना टाइप्स का होता है कॉलम यूज किया जाता है GC में? तो वो दो टाइप्स का यूज किया जाता है. फर्स्ट, पैक्ड कॉलम, सेकंड, कैपिलरी कॉलम. पैक्ड कॉलम मटेरियल जो है ग्लास और स्टेनलेस स्टील रहता है, और कैपिलरी कॉलम में मटेरियल जो है फ्यूज्ड क्वार्टज होते हैं. ओके, ये दो टाइप के होते हैं. नेक्स्ट 8 question number. What are the size of packed and capillary column in GC? किस साइज का होता है? आंसर, पैक्ड कॉलम जो है इसका लेंथ जो है 1 से लेकर के 3 मीटर तक होता है, ठीक है। आईडी 2 से लेके 4 mm तक होता है और कैपिलरी कॉलम जो है उसका लेंथ जो है 10 से लेकर के 100 मीटर तक होता है और आईडी जो है 0.1 से लेकर 1 mm तक। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। 10 क्वेश्चन नंबर इज विच मटेरियल इज यूज्ड इन गैस कॉलम एज अ स्टेशनरी फेस। तो इसका कौन से मटेरियल हम यूज करेंगे? सिलिकॉन, ग्रीस और वैक्स इज यूज्ड टू स्टेशनरी फेज इन गैस chromatography. Okay, next is 11 question number. The 11 question number is what are the component of gas chromatography? क्या है component गैस chromatography का? This is the carrier gas and यहां से यहां जाएगा। then ये क्या है? फ्लो कंट्रोलर, ये कंट्रोल करता है। देन यहाँ से इंजेक्टर पोर्ट है, यहाँ से इंजेक्ट किया जाता है, यहाँ से ये प्रेशर में जाएगा। देन ये क्या है? कॉलम, ओवन एंड ये क्या है? डिटेक्टर जो डिटेक्ट करेगा और फिर ये जाकर के यहाँ रिकॉर्ड या रिकॉर्डर है, रिकॉर्ड। ओके, ये डायग्राम है और ये कॉम्पोनेंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट अब बात करेंगे हम 12 क्वेश्चन। 12 question number is what is the makeup gas in GC? Answer, makeup gas is a gas flow. Makeup gas is a gas flow that is used to sweep component through a detector to minimize band broadening. Depending on the GC brand and detector design, the use of makeup gas can improve sensitivity. Okay, that is called makeup gas in chromatography. Okay, next is 13 question number. What is zero air in gas chromatography? What is zero air in gas chromatography? The zero air is a air which remove the hydrocarbon via process of oxidative catalysis to ensure it only contain less than 0.1 ppm of total hydrocarbons. For these applications, the zero air is usually supplied in one of two ways: via pressurized gas cylinder or via gas generator. That is called zero air in a gas chromatography. Okay, next is 14 question number. The 14 question number is which detector is commonly used in GC? कौन सा डिटेक्टर होता है जो यूज किया जाता है गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी में? ओके, द फ्लेम आयोनाइज्ड डिटेक्टर। कौन सा? द फ्लेम आयोनाइज्ड डिटेक्टर, द शॉर्ट फॉर्म इज FID, इज अ मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड। इसी को ज्यादा यूज करके और गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी the most commonly used in a gas chromatography for its reliability and its sensitivity in the detection of organic factors. That is called the detector is commonly used in GC और इसको यूज करके और डिटेक्ट किया जाता है GC। Okay, next is 15 question number. On what basis molecules are separating GC? On the basis of boiling point. इस basis पे boiling point. Less boiling point molecules elute first as compared to more boiling point molecules. That is the answer of on the basis of molecules separating GC. Okay, next is 16 question number. If boiling point is same, then which molecules elute first? In case of same boiling point, molecules are separate on basis of their molecule size. Small size molecules elute first as compared to large size. Okay. Next is 17 question number. What is the split ratio in GC? क्या है split ratio in GC में गैस क्रोमेटोग्राफी में? The split ratio is calculated by dividing the column carrier gas flow rate into a split vent flow rate. For example, 1:5 split ratio means the 5 times the amount of carrier gas is flowing out of the split vent in compression with the column. That is called split ratio in GC. Okay. Next is 18 question number. What are the parameter of GC calibration? क्या है parameter of GC calibration? Gas chromatography calibration. Calibration parameter of a gas chromatography that in GC are carrier as gas flow accuracy, calibration of flame ionized detector, FID, the short form is FID, flame ionized detector by linearity, measurement calibration of auto injector by linearity, measurement calibration for column oven temperature measurement etc. That is called parameter of GC calibration. Okay. Next is 19 question number. What are the advantage of gas chromatography? क्या है advantage gas chromatography का? First, high resolution power compared to other methods. Second, high sensitivity. Third, high accuracy and precision. And fourth, analysis of sample very quickly, may not even seconds. And fourth is small sample needed, microliter, microwatt. Okay, this is the advantage of gas chromatography. Next is 20 question number. What are the limitation of gas chromatography? क्या limitation gas chromatography का? First, analyte must be thermally stable. Second, analyte must be relatively volatile. Third, not possible to operate at biological conditions. And if these limitations are not critical, then GC is probably the best means for analyzing a complex sample. That is called limitation of gas chromatography. Okay. Next, सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए प्लीज, शेयर और कमेंट लाइक कीजिए, हमेशा खुश रहिए। तब तक के लिए बाय, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं।